So continuing from the last video, we'll go over horizontal and vertical um, constraints. By the way, if you don't see this huge panel of constraints, it might be because, and you're on your Chromebook, what's happening is basically, I'll try to give you a demonstration. So notice how as I expand my screen more, there are fewer drop downs. So what's happening is, at least for a sketch, right? So you notice all of these are now in a drop down versus right here where they all expand out. So this, if your screen is smaller, it will end up being a drop down. Anyways, so we're gonna go over horizontal and vertical. Uh, they both functionally they're both basically the same. So I'll just cover horizontal for now. So if you're making a new line, you may have noticed this like little horizontal symbol. Where it's like it's almost like the line is like kind of locked at a horizontal position. What this does is it makes the line itself horizontal. So you can just make any ordinary line, and then if I click H for horizontal, so notice the short key is H or hotkey is H, it will make the line horizontal. Um, Alternatively, you can also make 2 points horizontal to each other. So if I'm create two random lines, and then I select this point, I select that point, and I click H, it makes these two horizontal to each other. So if these move up or down, right? If one point moves up or down, the other will follow accordingly. I'll just quickly go over vertical since it is basically the exact same. Notice the vertical symbol, right? The yellow dashes, and then 2 points being vertical to each other. Same idea. Move it left, right. It will remain right on top of the other. So the other thing is that you can set the 2 points of a line to be horizontal, and functionally it will be the same as if I set the line itself horizontal. Yeah, that's about it. I guess for some reference, right? If we learned that angle works, that you can set the angle of a line. However, if I set, let's say, um, this line to this angle, let's say I set this line, let's the origin, and I set this, let's make a vertical line. Let's say I set this vertical line also to the origin. I can't actually change this angle. Like if I try to, it'll give me an error because you already set one horizontal, one vertical, so the angle must be 90 degrees. If I try to change it, it will give me an error. It's a sketch not solved. You'll see this a lot in sketches. And then the way to solve that, the way to fix this error is just to select the dimension and delete it.